Hello, I'm a Bullis Student Tutor, and today we'll be talking about how to make a simple guessing game in Python. So we're going to make a numerical guessing game where the participant has to guess a number between 1 and 10. So first, we have to make our function. So let's define our function. Let's start with the command def for define, and let's call our function game. So you always have to have the parentheses and end with the colon. So now because we're going to have them guess between 1 and 10, let's print, let's use the command print. And we always have to make sure that we have a string inside because that's how Python takes values that are written. So let's print guess a number between 1 and 10. Okay. So now you choose whatever you want the answer to be between 1 and 10. So for me, I want the answer to be 4. So let's have answer equal 4. And now what they're going to have, let's label that variable guess. So these are all our variables here. So answer and guess are our variables. So let's label our next variable guess. So we're going to have guess. So guess is what the input is. So we're going to have guess equal the integer, because guess is a numerical value. So integer. So integer, int for integer, the input. We have parentheses here. Okay, so now we get into our if command. So if the guess is equal. So whenever we have to use the double equal sign here because we're not defining a variable. We're saying that guess is actually equal to this value. So if guess is equal to the integer 4, and always remember after an if statement, and with the colon, we're going to print, and then we have to make it a string again because that's how Python takes these values. Print correct. And else, so if it's anything else other than 4, we're going to have the code print incorrect. So again, make it a string. Incorrect. And then we're going to have it recall the function label at the top. So we're going to have game here. That way, if they get it wrong, it'll redo all this code from the top down. So that way they can guess again until they get it correct. And this is something that's often forgotten. At the end, make sure you have your final recall function. That way, this is what runs the code. Without this, the code doesn't run. So now we go up to run and hit run module. Let's make sure we save it. Save as simple guessing game. Guess game. All right. Simple guess game 1. Okay, so it's going to have us guess a number between 1 and 10. Let's say I say 5, which is the wrong answer. It's going to say incorrect and guess a number between 1 and 10. Now the right answer is 4, and it's going to say correct. So that's how to make a simple guessing game in Python. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please feel free to check out the Bullis Student Tutor page to learn more.